Uh-oh, forgot Mother's Day again?
Rick's Ribs, the one-stop shop for your Mother's Day gift.
Oh no, cluttered fridge? Just look at the difference. Rick's Ribs, get that good night's sleep.
Great in the shower for those hard-to-reach places. Perfect for drying dishes.
Way better.
Great as a bookmark. It picks up air.
Blows leaves. So small it can fit in your pocket.
And if you buy now, you get a set of Ginsu knives.
Bro, those aren't the Ginsu knives.
Don't let your mother cook on Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
If you haven't sorted your Mother's Day gift, get sorted now. Jump online, www.ricksribs.co.nz. You got this. If you can get down, enjoy some time with your mum. Otherwise, send her a gift with love. I put a lot of love on this. Try some of these ribs. Send them out to your mum all across the country. Easy to cook up. Delicious. Smoked. All ready to go. Half an hour to heat up. Rick's Ribs. Getting my meat in your mum all across New Zealand. Buy your mum Rick's Ribs today.